with your ticket stub. We'll come by about every 15 to 30 minutes. Our last stop will be between 5 o'clock and 5:30.
This is lame. Are we stopping?
People can get off if they want to because of it.
Let's stay on.
At Whitty Museum Depot.
What did you see? Depot? What the heck? Again.
We need to make a lot of noise when we go through to scare out any little animal.
We're going into a tunnel.
Just holler and shout.
So apparently, we're just on this ride to nature. Shut up, lady.
This is not a tunnel.
And this is my friend Dylan. What is up?
What is up, my friend?
And there's where Slenderman lives all these times. Here comes the tunnel.
I touched it! Oh, that hurts.
Touch it. Ah! We're on the ride to nature on this tunnel. Oh my god. And now we're back outside. That was fun. There's still more to the ride, apparently.
Oh, we're about to get on.
Hey, everybody. So, today we are shooting a video about nature.
Mature people.
This is for my YouTube channel.
Rated C for Central Park.
What?
That's even worse, dude. Or rated G for grills.
That old train over here.
I'm gonna fall.
Oh god. Ah!
We're drifting.
We're drifting. Tokyo drift this thing. It's a perfect day. What is,
Keep your eyes open. You never know what you might see in a jungle.
what is she saying?
Reports of some people spotting cars and swinging through the trees. And there's even been an occasional sighting.
Oh, look, there's a bear.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
What? Spider-Man? What the?
Oh, spiders.
Oh, spiders. That's why we have a roof over this. His spiders come. Right? Right?
No,
Oh, they could